good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing. So look, I'm gonna make this one quick. I got shit to do. I ain't trying to be here all day. I know y'all ain't neither. So look, we got an unboxing from them homies over at GOAT. Shouts out to the GOAT gang one time. Got this package. Didn't know these existed. Didn't know these was actually a men's shoe. I thought it was only females, but oops, upside my head. They just got delivered today. And look, before I even unbox this shit, hit that thumbs up. What is you doing? Subscribe. What is you doing? Join the God Squad. What is you doing? But yeah, man, we can go ahead and get straight to this. I think my camera down. I don't know. I can't tell yet. It's still brand new. I don't really know. But yeah, man, today we, oh shit, GOAT done upgraded their boxes. It say GOAT verified on the inside. What is this? What is this? It say GOAT right there. And of course, y'all can see we got Adidas, but damn, GOAT. Okay, I see y'all with exclusive ass boxes. Go ahead with your bad self. But yeah, man, today we got an unboxing from Adidas. Let me move this closer so y'all can see it a little better. But I didn't, like I said, I didn't know these was real. Didn't know this was a thing until I looked on GOAT and I seen them, and I love this colorway. And I was about to get this colorway in a different shoe, but I'm glad I didn't. And we gonna get straight into it. I'm kind of stalling, and y'all can kind of tell. Okay, the shoes ain't peeking, and we got the official GOAT card from the homie KW, however you say that shit. Hey, I got it in the box. Well, look, we gonna go ahead and see these together. I've never seen these in person, never felt these in hand, and if I did, I did not know what I was feeling. So look, this is a first for me. First time seeing this model on the channel. Let's see what I think about it. Okay, okay. These jumps tugboats, toot. They clean though. I ain't gonna hold you. These jumps nice. Oh yeah, these jumps hella nice. Ooh, I got some new shoes, new shoes. Damn, these jumps is nice, yo. I ain't gonna fake. These jumps look kinda lit. The right lacing, they'll be alright. Cause whoever laced these is a square, nigga. What the fuck? But nah, these are young 96s. They're not the young ones. They're the young 96s. I guess it's like, just looking at it, it looked like a mix between the young ones and the Falcons. I don't know though. I had to do more homework, and y'all get it in the official review. But hold up, like, hold up, I got a call. Hold up. Hello? Who this? Walk, bitch, walk. I'm a clown, yo. But look, I'm feeling these. I wanted these. Like, only thing I wish, man, it was more green instead of black. Cause like this back part of the shoe, that shit fire. But then the front part of the shoe kind of dull. But I think once I like lace it up, put it on my feet, and everything else, I think I'll be straight, and I'll figure out how to wear these. But just for right now, these jumps is hard, coming straight at the bottom. And I love the way Adidas smells. They shoes have a different smell. If you never smelled a pair of young ones, Falcons, or 96s, these motherfuckers smell different. But it's a nice different, and I like it. Look, man, I'm tripping, I'm geeking. I got some more shit to do, so this is why this is unboxing is kind of quick. But shout out to the homies over at GOAT, man. This unboxing was brought to you by the letter G for GOAT, nigga. This ain't a sponsored bid, but I mean one day, maybe one day. But yeah, man, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. Y'all like that shit, do y'all? Boy, I know you did, boy. Especially you, head ass. You love that shit. Subscribe to the God Squad. We the best squad on YouTube. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. Look, man, the official review is coming. Shout out to the gaming channel, boy. You thought I was about to say the art page, nigga. That's later, nigga. Shout out to the gaming channel, Savage God Gaming. I've been putting in work on that motherfucking Horizon Zero, pushing out vids. I push at least like 3 out a week, 3 vids a week. Then Savage Beauty, she doing her thing on the gaming channel. We finna get the Resident Evil popping, man. It might already be popping, man. You know what I'm saying? Depends on when I put this video out. But yeah, man. So go ahead, subscribe to the gaming channel. Go ahead, get you a few chuckles in. You know what I'm saying? What else? Yeah, and if you want to follow me or anything, me personally, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that at JDiggy92, man. Fuck this dog that live downstairs, man. Real shit, nigga, barking in the videos and shit. But yeah, man, that shit threw me off. But shout out to the art page, nigga. We ain't forget you, hoe, nigga. Shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Go ahead and copy out some dope ass art. And yeah, man, I'm your boy, JDiggy92. Hopefully I ain't forgetting nothing. I see y'all for this official review and the on feats, man. And we gonna figure out how we gonna lace these up and make these on fire. You know what I'm saying? Tell them that we need more fire. But yeah, man, this is the end of this unboxing. Shout outs to GOAT, shout outs to Adidas, and shout outs to you for watching, man. I'm your boy, the Finesse God, JDiggy92. This has been another episode of Finesse Kicks, and like I always say, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I see y'all when I see y'all, player.